For years, JBL's portable speaker lineup has been easy to understand. If you wanted maximum portability, you bought a Clip. If you wanted bigger sound, you bought a Flip. But in today's world of inflation, rising production costs, and increasing competition, JBL has introduced an entirely new speaker lineup that sits right between these two products. This is the JBL Grip, a rugged RGB equipped portable speaker that promises powerful sound, all-day battery life, and the durability JBL is known for, all at a more affordable price point than the Flip series. But is it actually worth buying, or is it simply a cheaper compromise? Today we are unboxing it, testing it, and finding out exactly who this speaker is for. I'm Areza and you are watching Armatech, where you'll always find unsponsored and honest reviews. If that's your kind of content, consider subscribing, leaving a like, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's get started. Let's begin with the unboxing experience. Inside you'll find the JBL Grip itself, a quick start guide, warranty documentation, and safety information. That's it. The first thing that caught my attention was the shape. Unlike most JBL portable speakers, the Grip uses an upright standing design. In fact, it immediately reminded me of the Ultimate Ears Boom series, thanks to its cylindrical form factor, fabric-covered body, and radiators. However, they're noticeably smaller. It measures 2.52 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 2.56 inches deep, while weighing just 0.85 pounds. That places it neatly between the JBL Clip 5 and Flip 7 in both size and portability. On the front, we find JBL's iconic logo. While it looks great, it's attached to the fabric rather than molded into the body, which makes me question its long-term durability. Moving to the rear, we encounter the biggest visual difference between the Grip and every other JBL portable speaker: RGB lighting. The illuminated Grip logo can be customized through JBL's app, allowing you to change colors and effects. However, the lighting doesn't react to the music, which feels like a missed opportunity. Above the lighting is a small hanging loop. It works, but personally I would have preferred a wrist strap or a more versatile attachment system. Below the lighting sits the USB-C charging port. It's used exclusively for charging. There is no wired audio support and no auxiliary input. The controls are spread around the speaker. On top you will find the power, Bluetooth, and Auracast buttons. On the front there are playback and volume controls, and on the rear there is a dedicated RGB button for cycling through the lighting modes. The button features a silicone base that helps keep the speaker stable on flat surfaces. Durability is one of these speaker's strongest selling points, as this bad boy has an IP68 rating, and JBL says it is drop-proof. You don't need to be worried about taking this to the wilderness. And as you can see, I drop it and nothing will happen to it. You can see that nothing has happened to this bad boy. I dropped it from 1.5 meter high though. The JBL Grip is also available in 9 different colors, including black, white, blue, turquoise, purple, orange, red, yellow, and pink. Overall, I really like the design. It's compact, rugged, and unique within JBL's lineup. That said, I'd love to see illuminated buttons, a proper carrying strap, and a more durable logo implementation on the next generation. Now let's talk about what powers this little speaker. Inside, JBL uses a straightforward acoustic design. There is a front-firing racetrack woofer capable of delivering up to 16 watts RMS, accompanied by two side-mounted passive radiators. JBL also claims the Grip benefits from its new AI Sound Boost technology, which is designed to optimize performance and reduce distortion at higher volumes. We'll see how well that works during the sound test later in this video. Connectivity is entirely wireless. There is no AUX input and no wired playback through the USB-C. For wireless audio, however, the Grip supports Bluetooth 5.4 along with SBC and AC codecs. It can also maintain connection to two devices simultaneously. Like many modern JBL speakers, the Grip supports true wireless stereo pairing. If you own two Grip speakers, you can create a stereo setup. Auracast support is included, allowing the Grip to connect with compatible JBL speakers for larger group listening sessions. And unlike older party boost systems, Auracast doesn't impose practical limits on the number of speakers that can join the broadcast. JBL rates battery life at up to 12 hours with lighting disabled and volume set to moderate levels. A playtime boost mode within the app can extend that to approximately 14 hours. However, it achieves this primarily by reducing bass output, so I wouldn't recommend using it unless battery life is your highest priority. At maximum volume, with the RGB lighting enabled, expect closer to 3 hours of playback. Charging takes around 3 hours from empty to full. The JBL Portable app adds a good amount of functionality. You get several EQ presets, including signature, chill, energetic, and vocal modes. There is also a customizable 7-band equalizer for users who prefer to fine-tune the sound themselves. The app also handles RGB customization, firmware updates, factory reset, stereo pairing, and Auracast management. For the lighting, JBL includes 5 effects and multiple color options, allowing you to personalize the speaker's appearance. Overall, software experience is simple and effective. Now we've reached the most important part of any speaker review, the sound. I've recorded the following audio samples binaurally so you can get the closest possible representation of how the JBL Grip actually sounds. Grab a pair of headphones, turn up the volume, and let your ears be the judge.
Ayy, sip on my neck, I'm feeling like a blizzard. Ain't nobody in my spot, cause I got it reserved. All I know is getting money, then I hit the reverse. Really got it in the bag, every day a new purse. Ayy, I don't get in my feelings, I just get in my bag. Ayy, call that sneaker tag, what you think you bad? Let them think that, till I pull up, then it's a wrap. I am where it's at, you should know I got it in the bag. Bitch, I'm back, round name. Yeah. But you can protect me now, I know I'll be on your mind. No looking back, now my future's getting brighter. Tryna keep you where to start, cause I don't wanna feel the pride that you had in every fight we had, on and on again. I won't let you control me, I won't let you forget me. When you look in your eyes, you only gonna see me. Boy, I'm breaking you down, and I'm saving you now. No, you can't stop me now. Boy, I'm breaking you down.
Yeah, friend Bentley, Lego. Why they be down the boy? Tell them it's part of the plan. It's the young and feeding them slaps. The kids in the cover killing it. They ain't gotta gas me up, do it myself, I'm drilling it. How many times did they pass me up? I'm cool, can't walk on my shoes, I'm kicking it. Wanna jump in, cause they see that it's working. Grow from the air, they see wins on the surface. Slotting my wins, I do it on purpose. Playing with you till you cry to the circus. One time for the yellow dogs, 2 times till they doubted me. You know I did it for my mama and them. Only people know I'm proud of me. Now I'm getting where I gotta be. Everybody want me to take off. You brought the beast from inside of me. I bet on myself and it paid off.
So, what do you think? Honestly, I like it. No, it isn't the best sounding portable speaker ever made, but it doesn't try to be. What impressed me the most was how balanced and enjoyable it remains even at high volume levels. There is very little harshness, and JBL's processing does a good job of keeping distortion under control. Bass performance is particularly impressive considering the size of the enclosure. That said, I would have liked slightly clearer mids and better instrument separation. Vocals can occasionally feel pushed back in busy tracks. Still, for everyday listening, office use, outdoor adventures, and casual gatherings, the sound is more than satisfying. The JBL Grip makes the most sense for people who want a compact speaker that is easy to carry, durable enough for outdoor use, and fun enough to bring to social gatherings. Cyclists can place it in a bottle cage, traveler can throw it into a backpack, students can keep it on a desk, and anyone who enjoys RGB lighting will appreciate the extra personality it adds. If you are looking for the absolute best sound quality, stepping up to a Flip may still be worth it. But if portability, durability, and value matter more, the Grip becomes a very attractive option. The JBL Grip exists because the market has changed, prices are rising, competition is increasing, and JBL needed something that sits between Clip and Flip. And honestly, I think they've done a pretty good job. You get solid sound quality, excellent durability, modern connectivity features, customizable lighting, and a compact design that can go almost anywhere. It's not perfect, there are compromises, but none of them are deal breakers. In fact, this has quickly become one of my favorite small portable speakers of the year. If you can find it on sale, it's an easy recommendation. Even at full retail price, it's a strong contender in its category. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the JBL Grip? Would you buy one, or would you still choose the Flip? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.